Hey guys, welcome back. So we are back on the letter writing lesson, and today I have two different activities for you to try. So the first activity, we are going to go to Quizlet, and I will include the links below so you can go on there. And I just have a couple cards and definitions just to prepare you for a quiz we're going to have later on. So you can see right here we have all the questions that I will be asking, and we also have the answers. So some good strategies for studying for this test, we have the flashcards here, and you can use this, you can quiz yourself. So what goes in the top right hand corner? You can click it and it'll say the day you write the letter. We also have where you can write it, you can spell it, you can do a practice test, and we have a couple different games where you can help memorize these. So using Quizlet is a good way to study for an upcoming test. And then for your quiz, I will include the link to this Google Forms. So on the Google Forms, first of all, you're going to put in your school email address just so I know whose test it is. And then we have a couple different questions. All the questions will be different points. There's different ways you can do it. So on this one, we have a short answer. The next one, we have a multiple choice. The third one is a little bit harder. So it's what kind of information can you include in the body of a letter? Please include 3 examples. So on this one, I want you to give me 3 different topics or ideas you could write about in a letter that you're writing to your friend. So the next question we have, what's one way you can close a letter? That's another short answer. I just want an example. And the very last question is another multiple choice. After you finish filling this out, you will scroll down to the bottom and submit it. Once you submit it, you cannot go back and redo the test, so be sure you have everything you want as the correct answer in here. If you have any questions, feel free to get a hold of me in school tomorrow and we will go over it. Thanks, we look forward to seeing you tomorrow.